What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake. I'm finally back on my kayak today. I think I'm going to be crossing the lake. It's pretty calm today. I've never fished that side. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to go ahead and kayak back to this side and fish the spots that I always fish and end up catching fish. So hopefully we can make something happen, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I've about made it to the other side of the lake. Hopefully we can catch fish here, guys. If I don't catch any fish, going back to the other side where I always catch fish is going to be a pain. It's a long ways, so hopefully we can land some fish here. I'm going to be fishing from this side over there. I have never fished that side. I probably fished this cove right here once, but I've never fished further than that. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see if we can land any fish, guys. Give it about an hour. Time check is currently 5:28, so we'll see if we can catch any, guys. This lake is like really calm right now. I have to throw topwater. As much as I want to throw the Cinco, the chances are greater of me catching a fish on that. I've got to throw topwater. Just got to get it out of my system, make a few casts. This lake is like too calm. Like it's too good to be true. All right, I'm gonna make one more cast with this topwater, guys. I get under that. Oh my God, was that thunder? I think it was. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. There we go. I did not expect topwater to actually work. That feels like a decent one. Holy crap, guys. That is not a bad one. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's huge. That's huge. No, he broke me off, guys. He freaking broke me off. I had that with like, it's not like that I hadn't tied up or anything. That was a giant. That was my freaking PB. That was like a 4 or 5 pounder. It looked like it. This braid is old, but it's not that like I rarely use it. I'm at a loss for words, guys. That was insanely big. That was my PB. Gone. All right, guys, so I have switched up to a white Cinco, even though I know I just lost a freaking 4 or 5 pounder on a topwater bait. I'm gonna grind it out, see if I can catch any here. I'm not gonna go back to the other spot because there might be a storm coming, not too sure, and I don't want to kayak all the way over there. So go ahead and give this spot a shot, see if I can land any bass. Hopefully a bass the size of the last one. That would be insane. Hopefully we can catch some largies, guys. At least one today. Let's get to it. Oh, I just got thumped. Does he have it? I don't know if he has it, guys. That was a freaking good bite. First bite of the day. We are on the struggle bus today, boys. Yeah, I don't know about this spot, guys. I mean, there's absolutely no structure here. Could have been slaying them by now if I was on the other side. I mean, I did have a chance of catching a huge bass, but it broke me off. At this point, I would just be happy with one fish, to be honest. All right, guys, so at 7 o'clock, I'm going to make my way to the other side, which is even further from the ramp, because I haven't got any bites, any fish. I've got like one bite or two, but this spot is just, there's no structure. I mean, I did lose that giant fish. I mean, stud. So I'm only gonna give this side like what, a few more minutes. Oh, I'm getting thumped, but it's like weird. It's a small fish, I'm assuming. It's not that. I think he's gonna come off. Like I didn't hook him that good. It's fighting so weird. Get the net though. Oh yeah, it's a small fish. There you go, guys. First fish of the day. Finally, it's a smallmouth. That took longer than it had to. Holy crap. There you go, guys. First fish of the day. Not a bad one. About a 1 pound smallmouth. I don't care how big it is, how small it is. I caught a fish. I've been fishing for some time now. It's been nuts. Go ahead and let this fish go. Aggressive fish, not bad, guys. Keep fishing. Not gonna fish this side, like I said, for too much longer, and I'll go ahead and make my way to the other side. Hopefully we can catch one more, guys. All right, everybody, so I've made it to the next spot. The guy I had talked to earlier said this spot was filled with grass and it could be good for topwater. Guys, it is absolutely filthy with grass. Like it is. It can either go really good or really bad. So I'm gonna tie on a frog. Now I know I usually don't catch fish on frog. I'm not going to trust the braid that I am using right now on my other rod. So I'm going to tie it on to the fluorocarbon reel that I have right now and see if I can make it happen. I probably can only fish for about 30 minutes more because I'm probably about 4 miles out from the ramp. I am pretty far. I can see it, but I mean, it is a long ways. So I'm going to start off with this frog and see if I can get anything to come up. Well, I'm seeing some fish bust now. I am seeing some fish bust. Here we go, guys. There we go. Oh, I think is he still on? Oh, he came off. No, he's still on. No, he came off. First fish on the frog. I didn't take out the water. No wonder I cast it so far. Won't get mad. Still have this whole cove of grass left. Not bad, not bad. I need some like 40, 50 pound braid for this. Oh my god, guys, something just ate it, guys. Oh my god, it was a giant fish, giant fish. I was reeling it in and it was underwater. I was like, what the heck? Then I saw some wakes and I was like, oh my god, I suck at frog fishing so much. All right, I'll probably make a few casts right here. This area looks pretty decent. Oh my god, I just got another blow up. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, he spit it out. No, I still have him. I still have him. Oh, he spit it out. He spit it out. Oh my god, guys. This is freaking hard. I waited that time. I absolutely waited. I want to tie on a Cinco. Screw this. Tying on the Cinco right now. I have a setup right here. I'm gonna have like 5 minutes to fish, but I don't care. Come on. All right, guys, I have 8 minutes to fish exactly. Can I make it happen? I know there's a lot of bass here. I know there is. This is the only other bait. Like, did y'all see that? This is the only other bait I can think of that can get through this grass relatively well. I need to cast where that fish was. Oh, am I getting thumped? Something has my bait, I think. Something had it, guys. Something just had it. I need to cast there again. That fish was hungry. He wanted it. He wanted it. Oh, he has it, guys. He has it. Either that's a giant or he's in grass. He knows that the grass is where to go. Oh my god, guys. Here we go, here we go. This is a decent one. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, get in the net. Yes, guys. I have exactly 6 minutes left to fish. Tied on the Cinco. Holy crap, guys. Heck yes. Hook came right out, guys. Not a giant. I do not care though. I saw him bust. I was like, let me cast there. Amazing, amazing, amazing day so far. I mean, amazing day in general. I am speechless. I can't talk. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes, back into the grass. All right, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 2 fish in total. It was a struggle today. I kayaked probably about 6 miles. In the process of that, I lost a ton of fish on the frog. Lost probably a 5 or 6 pounder. It was insane, guys. Hopefully one day we can catch that big fish though. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos, guys. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.